Hello everyone. Today we are going to read along Around the Farm. The bull is strong.
Bull.
Her. The cow gave us milk to drink.
Cow.
Moo. The goat can climb.
Goat.
Mrrr. The pig has a curly tail.
Pig.
Oink, oink. The sheep has wool that keeps it warm.
Sheep.
Meh. The lamb is a baby sheep.
Lamb.
Meh. The donkey kicks its legs.
Donkey.
Arr, arr. The horse gallops in the field.
Horse.
Neigh. The hen lays eggs for the farmer.
Hen.
Go. The turkey likes to eat seeds and grains.
Turkey.
Go. The chick is yellow and fluffy.
Chick.
Chick. The rooster wakes the farmer in the morning.
Rooster.
Go. The cat meows and purrs.
Cat.
Meow. The dog howls at the moon.
Dog.
Oof. The mouse stays warm in the farmer's barn.
Mouse.
Choo. The frog leaps up into the air.
Frog.
Gog. The duck waddles to and fro.
Duck.
Quack. The turtle can hide in its shell.
Turtle.
Do. The fish swims underwater.
Fish.
Bloop. The crow flaps its wings.
Crow.
Ah. The sparrow likes to sing.
Sparrow.
Boo. The owl can see in the dark.
Owl.
Ooh. The woodpecker pecks the tree within its beak.
Woodpecker.
Do. The snake hisses and slithers.
Snake.
The rabbit likes to hop.
Rabbit.
Ba-dun. The cricket hops and chirps.
Cricket.
The dragonfly zips and zooms.
Dragonfly.
The bee buzzes from flower to flower.
bee.
Bee. The butterfly flutters its colorful wings.
Butterfly.
Boom, 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 boom. The caterpillar crawls along a leaf.
Caterpillar.
Do 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 do. The end. Thanks for listening.